Biomes and Adaptations.
Our world is made up of many abiotic and biotic factors that contribute to their biome.
What is a biome? There's 8 biomes in the world.
There's permanent ice, tundra, grassland, desert, tropical rainforest, temperate deciduous forest, temperate rainforest, boreal forest.
So what is an adaptation?
Structural, a physical feature of an organism's body.
Physiological, a physical or chemical event that occurs within the body of an organism.
Behavioral, what an organism does to survive.
First, look at the tropical rainforest.
The tropical rainforest is found in Central America, Africa, and Indo-Malaysia.
The jaguar has to adapt to the tropical rainforest in order to survive.
Some behavioral adaptations of the jaguar that they're really good swimmers, they live near water sources, they live in trees for a few months when the forest is flooded, and they eat big and small animals.
Some physical adaptations of a jaguar are strong limbs, strong jaw, sharp teeth to catch and kill animals quickly, and can pounce from tree to tree onto prey.
Like the jaguar, the toko toucan has to adapt to its environment as well.
The behavioral adaptations are flocking helps keep away from predators, and adapted to eating fruit, so teeth goes away.
Some structural adaptations are a long bill to help crush food and get into small places. They also have camouflage to blend in with the forest colors. They have 2 toes in the front and 2 toes in the back to balance on trees. They can turn their head 180 degrees to sleep with beak and feathers for protection from predators.
A physiological adaptation is that they can dump body heat through blood vessels in the bill to cool down.
The banana tree has to adapt to its environment as well to survive in the wet conditions.
Leaf stalks that turn down movement of the sun to absorb max sunlight is an example of a behavioral adaptation.
Small leaves at the top and large leaves at the bottom helps shed water off fast toward roots is a structural adaptation.
Next, we're going to talk about the desert biome.
Deserts are found in North America, Australia, North Africa, South America, and the Middle East.
The camel has to adapt to the sandy desert.
The wind blows the sand around, so the camel has long eyelashes to keep it out, thick eyebrows to shield from the sun, nostrils open and closed so sand doesn't get in the nose. The camel's ears are covered with hair to prevent sand from coming in. Camels have wide feet to walk on the sand, thick lips so they can eat prickly plants. Color of fur helps camouflage the camel. These are all examples of structural adaptations.
Some physiological adaptations of a camel are they can go 1 week without water and several months without food. They also have the body temperature fluctuate throughout the day to not lose water as
A behavioral adaptation is that they store fat in hump, not water, for energy. Now introducing the Gila monster.
Gila monsters live in burrows to avoid extreme day heat and cold nights. They have a thick, forked tongue that detects scents from other animals. Gila monsters are shy and only bite if threatened. Their bites may contain venom.
Some structural adaptations are that they have short, thick tails that store fat in the winter during hibernation. Their color blotches serve as camouflage and warning, and poisonous to help kill prey and keep predators away.
Cactuses survive uniquely in the environment.
Cactuses have waxy leaves to keep water in, long roots to reach water and gather as much as possible. They have spiky leaves to reduce water evaporation and thorns to prevent plants from being eaten. Cactuses are gray and silver to reflect heat from the sun. These are all structural adaptations.
A behavioral adaptation is that they have a thick, juicy stem to store water.
Now to recap.